Good morning. History, class 11th. Short answer type question. What were the main causes responsible for the Industrial Revolution in England? Political stability and tranquility prevailed in England during the 18th century. तो 18th century में political stability भी नहीं थी. It prepared appropriate environment for the setting of the industries in England. तो प्रिपेयर करने के लिए इंग्लैंड में इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन प्रिपेयर्ड ए अप्रोप्रिएट इन्वायरमेंट यानी अप्रोप्रिएट इन्वायरमेंट के लिए इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन हुआ था. इंग्लैंड वाज द बिगेस्ट इम्पेरियलिस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. तो इम्पेरियलिस्ट कंट्री था. इट हैड सेवरल कॉलोनीज इन यूरोप, एशिया एंड अफ्रीका. She had an easy access to sources of cheap raw material required of her industries from the colonial possession. तो जो भी यहाँ पर भी इनकी कॉलोनीज थी वहाँ से रॉ मटेरियल लाने में इनको आसानी थी क्योंकि अफ्रीका के लगभग सारे देशों में इनका कब्जा था, इनके अंडर थे. कैपिटल प्लेज विचुअल रोल इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज एवरीवेयर. तो कैपिटल प्लेज विचुअल रोल बहुत अच्छा रोल निभाया इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन ने. At that time, there was no dearth of capital in England. The efficient banking system in England played a remarkable role in bringing out industrial revolution. तो बैंकिंग ने बहुत बड़ा रोल निभाया. During the 18th century, England was economically prosperous. It controlled vast domestic as well as foreign markets. तो foreign markets पर इंग्लैंड का ही कंट्रोल था 18वीं शताब्दी में. Thus, the goods produced by the industries in England could well be consumed easily. However, the supply of raw material affected the nature of British industrialism. Raw material से British में industrial revolution कैसे हुआ? During the 18th century, England was economically prosperous. तो economically prosperous था वो, खुद का फील था. It controlled vast domestic as well as foreign markets. Foreign market पर भी इनका कंट्रोल था. Thus, the goods produced by the industries in England could well be consumed easily. तो इंग्लैंड में कारखाने में बनी हुई चीज़ें जल्दी कंज्यूम होती थी, लोग खरीदते थे, ख़त्म हो जाती थी. Unlike the other European countries in contemporary period, बाकी कंट्री मुकाबले में इनका माल ज़्यादा बिक रहा था. Where several kinds of local taxes and octroi were levied from the transit of goods from the one place to another within the national boundary. Such taxes were not levied in Britain. Thus, the British government were available at completely cheaper rates than the goods produced by other countries. तो इनकी चीज़ें भी सस्ती थी बाकी जगह के मुकाबले में क्योंकि यहाँ सारी चीज़ें कारखाने में बन रही थी. On account of lower rates, the goods produced by Britain were great demand. What were the interesting feature of the invention of this? The designers of flying shuttle John Key and maker of the spinning Jenny James Hargreaves were familiar with the skills of weaving and carpentry. तो weaving और carpentry में जॉन केवी जॉनी जेम्स हार्ग्रीव्स बहुत फेमिलर थे. The invention of water frame Richard Arkwright was a barber and was wig maker. Samuel Crumpton, who invented the mule, was not technically skilled. Edmund Cartwright, and the inventor of the power loom, knew little of the mechanics. He studied literature, medicine, agriculture. इन चीज़ों का उसने मुताला किया. He initially wished to become a clergyman. Thomas Sarvey, who built a model steam engine, the miner's friend, was an army officer. Thomas Newman, who built another steam engine, was a blacksmith and locksmith. The road builder and John Mactoff was blind. तो इसी के साथ ये क्वेश्चन यहीं पर समाप्त होता है. नमस्कार.